ready to unlock the power of your Wix website's data by connecting it to Google Analytics. This tutorial will guide you through every step, from getting your unique Google Analytics tracking ID to ensuring it's correctly installed on your Wix site, so you can start understanding your visitors and improving your online presence. First things first, you'll need a Google Analytics account and a tracking ID if you don't have one. Head over to the Google Analytics website and follow the prompts to create a new account. Make sure you're creating a web property, not an app once your account is set up. Look for your property settings, and then Data Streams, you'll find your measurement ID there, which looks something like GXXXXXXXXXX. Copy this ID, as you'll need it next. Now, let's switch gears to your Wix dashboard. Navigate to the Marketing and SEO section in your site's dashboard. From there, find and click on Google Analytics. Wix makes this incredibly straightforward. You'll see a field where you can paste your Google Analytics measurement ID. Simply paste the ID you copied earlier into this box. Once pasted, click the Connect or Apply button to save your changes. Wix will then handle the rest of the integration for you. Wix automatically embeds the Google Analytics tracking code into your site's header when you connect it this way. This ensures that Google Analytics can start collecting data from all your website's pages. To verify that everything is working correctly, go back to your Google Analytics account. Visit your live Wix website in a new browser tab. Within a few minutes, you should start seeing activity in your Google Analytics real-time traffic report. If you see your visit recorded, congratulations! Your Wix site is now successfully connected to Google Analytics. With this setup complete, you can now dive into your Google Analytics reports to understand your audience, track your website's performance, and make informed decisions to grow your online business. Happy analyzing!